Okay, today we're going to start on our dream catchers. This is a drawing and a painting of a dream catcher. It is not going to be a physical like dream catcher. So you have your paper. This is a pretty big paper and not a very big screen. So your paper, what you want to do is you want to think of you want to try to find your halfway point, okay? Just eyeball, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just, like in the screen, like here's halfway point. Okay, now you want to try to find halfway of the first half, okay? So that would be like here. And then I'm going to put a dot there. I'm going to put a dot somewhere in there. Okay, now we are going to use a compass. These are called safety compasses. They look a little bit different than some other compasses that you might use in math. But what this does is you hold the white part and you can put your pencil in any of these holes and it swings all the way around to make a perfect circle. Now, the smallest circle you can make is this dot right here when you swing it around. So it'd be about the size of this area. If you want to make a smaller circle, then you're going to hold on to the orange part, put your pencil in one of these holes, and you have to make sure your pencil's sharp. You're going to put your pencil in one of these holes and you would swing around the white part to make a smaller circle. So of course the smallest one would be right here. This metal brad is the very center. That center point, that metal brad needs to go on your dot that you make, and you need to hold it, and what you need to do is start at the top of your paper. So you want to find a hole that is close to the top of your paper, and you're going to swing this around to create a circle. Okay, once I do that, I am going to I'm going to keep my compass right where it is, and I'm going to count in 2 dots, 1, 2, okay, and I'm going to swing another circle. All right. All right, now I'm going to keep it the same spot again. And I'm going to count every 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I'm going to do mine a little bit smaller because mine's smaller scale for the screen. So you're going to do every 5 dots. So notice it does get bigger because we only did 2 versus 5. All right. We did that circle. Now we're going to count in 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to swing another circle, creating like a target or a bullseye, okay? So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm right here on the end dot. I can stay on the orange or I can move into the white. I'm going to move into the white because it makes it much easier, okay? So I'm going to do the bigger one and swing in, okay? Once you hit into the white area, you can be finished. Okay, if you want to do another little bit smaller, then you can, but do notice it is harder. The smaller you make your circle, it is harder to make. Okay, and mine got off a little bit. So I can go back and draw this and erase it. It's harder to do with not looking at it. All right. Yeah. I gotta look at it. Okay, so now once you have this done, what you're going to do is you are going to, the first small ring that you did on the outside edge, we're going to do like, it's a kind of a C shape. It's not straight. Notice how it's curved, okay? So we want to curve these and we want to go all the way around this outside edge here. What that's going to do is this is the outside edge of your dream catcher. A dream catcher is usually a 3D thing and it is a circle, but it's wrapped in like a lace. All right, it's wrapped. So this texture right here or this drawing pattern creates that wrapped look. All right. And then once you have the outer ring done in that, then you're going to come up with different line patterns, lines or shape patterns. So I could do like a W shape. All right, and keep going with this shape all the way around. And then as I move into the next ring, I could come up with another shape. I might do like a heart, maybe diamond, okay, heart, diamond, and go all the way around. Trying to come up with some other ones. Let's see here. You can do maybe an M shape, all right, one that curls around like this. And then maybe I could do, thinking of other shapes, I could do a triangle, okay, and then do maybe a small square and an oval, and keep going with that pattern all the way around. And then the inside one, I could just maybe do like a starburst or something. All right, come up with lots of different patterns, and each one you're going to create all the way around different patterns. That is your first step on the dream catcher.